Hey everyone! Welcome to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to add product reviews in Shopify to build trust and boost sales. Let's get started. Step 1. Install a product review app. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Apps, and visit the Shopify App Store. Search for Product Reviews, and install a trusted app like Judge Me, Looks, or Shopify Product Reviews. Once installed, follow the setup instructions to activate the app on your store. Step 2. Configure the app settings. After installing the app, go to its settings and customize options such as review moderation, star ratings, and customer photo uploads. Adjust the settings based on your store's needs to maintain credibility and authenticity. Step 3. Enable reviews on product pages. To display reviews, go to Online Store Themes, customize and add the review widget to your product pages. Some apps may require adding a small code snippet in Product Liquid under the product description. Step 4. Collect and manage reviews. Encourage customers to leave reviews by setting up automated email requests after purchases. Offer small incentives like discount codes to increase response rates. Regularly check and moderate reviews to filter out spam and maintain quality feedback. Step 5. Showcase reviews to build trust. Make sure product reviews are displayed clearly with star ratings, customer images, and testimonials. You can also feature top reviews on your homepage or product pages to enhance credibility and encourage more sales. Outro, and that's it. Now you know how to add product reviews in Shopify to increase trust and conversions. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more Shopify tips. See you in the next video.